fantastic, Nicholas! I'm glad this is worth the climb. Look how tiny the houses seem to be from here.
Yeah, I'm so excited! This year, I've got everything ready to record the best video of Littleton's fireworks display for my online channel. Watch this! It's going to be awesome! Independence Day is one of my favorite celebrations.
I can't wait to see Shani and Lila's faces when they see this view. I'm sure they'll love it too.
And there I was, with my perfect outfit on for today, white stars and blue fabric, leading the 4th of July fashion show. Everyone was cheering when suddenly I woke up.
No! But how does it end?
Well, I don't know, Shani. But at least I got the inspiration for these.
Shouldn't Shani and Lila be here by now? The show will be starting soon.
Don't worry, Polly. They might be around the corner. I'm sure they'll arrive just in time. I never remember dreams. You know, scientists haven't yet found an explanation as to why some people remember their dreams and others don't.
That sounds like it could be your next research project, Shani.
Oh, no. That investigation would take me a long time to finish.
Time? We forgot about the time!
Where are they? I can't believe they aren't here yet.
This is amazing! Whoa! I love how the lights are coming into the image.
Come on, Shani! We're almost there!
Oh no! Was that it?
Hey, girls! Are you all right? I thought you might have changed your mind and didn't want to see the fireworks anymore. How come you missed the show?
You see, Shani? We should have run faster. Now we'll never see the show. Goodbye, fireworks!
Wait, what? If you hadn't been talking about all those dreams, we would have arrived ages ago.
You could have stopped me any time.
Well, if it's any consolation, you can always watch the replay.
Wait a minute. That's it! Replay! I've got an idea.
Lovely audience, here I present to you the best and most spectacularly filmed repeated fireworks show of all time.
Woo! This is one of your greatest ideas ever, Polly.
Yes, none of my best inventions could bring back the fireworks show.
I agree. And something tells me that I'll enjoy the fireworks even more this time.
Aw.